Ban chair hogging on cruises? Chair hogging is one of the fastest ways to turn a relaxing sea day into frustration. When towels and personal items reserve prime loungers for hours, it creates an unfair system. Guests who follow the rules lose out, and crew members get stuck mediating avoidable conflicts. So should cruise lines ban it? Yes, clearly and consistently. A fair policy is simple. If you are not actively using the chair, you are not holding it. Build in a reasonable grace period, about 30 minutes, so guests can use the restroom, get a drink, or step away briefly. After that, unoccupied chairs should return to public use. Here's how enforcement should work. Staff places a time notice on unattended chairs. If the guest does not return within the stated window, items are removed. Removed items go to a designated collection point with clear signage in a simple retrieval process. This approach keeps it objective, reduces arguments, and protects the overall guest experience. Guests who want guaranteed space should use designated reservable options like daybeds or cabanas, rather than informal claims on public seating.
Chair hogs are the worst people on cruises, and I'm going to prove it to you. Listen to this for a second. You know the chair hogs that I'm talking about. Look at this. It's busy out here. The people who hog chairs are the same people that end up at guest services complaining about the stupidest stuff. But I did an experiment today. I'm out here on the Serenity. As you see, it is packed out here. There's hardly any chairs available, and everybody has towels on the chairs like you see over here. They put the towels there. They disappear forever. And they expect you to honor the fact that they left the towel on the chair. So my experiment was this. I watched this chair that I'm in actually right now because I wanted to sit over here by the ocean to see the views. And nobody was here. So I took the towel and I threw it in the towel thing. It's gone. 41 minutes later, guys, the guy came back. 41 minutes after I've been sitting in this very chair and says, "You didn't see my towel?" And I looked at him and laughed. I said, "Yeah, I did. It was here, but now it's gone." So he looked extremely mad. Like I violated him. So he tells me he's going to go tell security. And I said, "Okay, that's nice. Good luck with that." So anyways, lo and behold, I'm still here. He's gone. Towel's gone. Security never showed up. So looks like he can kick rocks. But I want to know, would you have done the same thing? Cruise experiment. How people who put towels on chairs, chair hogs, are the worst people. Let me know if you agree, and would you have done the same thing? I want to see what you're going to say in the comments. I'm going to be reading them all, so let me know. Look at this. Pool chair hogs have literally gotten out of control. So I want to know what should happen to these chair hogs who reserve these chairs for hours. You got option A, staff should remove their stuff immediately after 30 minutes. Option B, give them a warning. C, nothing, it's first come, first serve. Or D, throw their towels and their stuff in the pool. What are you going to pick? I want to know what you guys think.
Hey, why are you awake? It's only 7 a.m. I'm about to go get a chair on the pool deck. If I wait until later, all the good ones are going to be taken. Wow, you're starting your day early by the pool. Oh, I'm not staying there. I'm just gonna go put some stuff on it. Then I'm gonna go have breakfast, probably hit the casino, and go back to the pool in the afternoon. So you're gonna be a chair hog. What's wrong with that? Other people do it. Honestly, I would not do that. Just because other people do it does not make it right. And if you're gonna go put your stuff down but have no intention of using the chair for hours, that's hours that someone else could be using and enjoying that chair on the cruise. But then where am I gonna sit? It's just the two of us. It won't be that hard to find a chair for such a small group. There are tons of chairs all around the ship in different areas, in the sun, and even some in the shade. Ugh, I guess I'll do the right thing then. I wouldn't want everyone else being a chair hog, so I should just lead by example instead of thinking about myself. I'll put my stuff down, and since you're up, do you want to go get some breakfast and then we'll hit the pool? Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going to 4,000 guests on board. You're being knocked up, tied up, secured to a dock. They don't have to get off the boat.
Let them do their fucking job, man. Let them do their job. We got other people in line. They're looking for the sakes of everybody. Get the fuck out the line and go somewhere else. Let them do their fucking job.
Yes, I spoke with him. He was the gentleman in the port who took my tickets from me yesterday. He told me they're going to refund you for this excursion.
Okay,
You're
so-
unable to go.
Okay.
Okay, but that doesn't change my daughter crying in the port because she's not going horseback riding because Carnival was misleading.
Okay.
Misled us. We've been looking forward to horseback riding for months. Got on the boat in Miami, yay, horseback riding. We're going horseback riding in the Bahamas. My daughters are horse kids. They love them. Carnival lied to us. I'm having to deal with my daughters crying at your port. Ruined our whole day yesterday. Security to a dock. They don't have to get off the boat. Well,
Let them do their fucking job, man. Let them do their job. We got other people in line. They're looking for the safety of everybody.
Let me ask you something. Have you noticed something strange happening on cruise ships lately? The respect, the courtesy, the basic manners that used to exist at sea seem to be disappearing, huh? Today we're going to talk about chair hogs, the entitled passengers, the Karens, and the disrespectful behavior that is slowly destroying the cruise experience. And trust me, some of what people are doing on these cruise ships today would never have been tolerated in the old school days. Let's talk about the chair hog. But the person who supposedly owns that chair, gone for hours. Some of these folks reserve chairs at 7 in the morning. Meanwhile, families with kids, older passengers, people who actually want to enjoy the pool are walking around trying to find a place to sit. Now, let me tell you something. That's not cruising. That's selfishness. And believe it or not, I've seen this many times while cruising on the many cruises I've gone on. Now, let's talk about the entitlement culture. But the chair hogs are only part of the problem. What we're seeing now is a growing culture of entitlement. Passengers who believe the rules apply to everyone else except them. They cut buffet lines. They scream at crew members. They argue with staff about policies that every passenger agreed to before boarding.
People like that, man. Go fuck yourself. You're gonna fuck with me. You're gonna fuck with me, man. Get goddamn me out of here now.
Yeah, that other woman that was just walking.
You tell me. That's not the point. They won't let me off the boat. They're not the fault. Hey, they can't fuck with me easy, but I can. That's not the fucking fault. Get the fuck out. I don't give a fuck. Please take your kids. Go somewhere else. And get somebody else. Do not talk to them. Do something. Hey, shoot your shit. Shoot your shit. Shoot. Leave. Let them leave. Tell them to get out of my fucking face. Get out of here. It's not your fault. Get the fuck out of here. Use your fucking shit. Go outside. Hey, look at me like that again. Yeah, do something about it. Security. Hey, I'm in the parking lot. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? I'll see you there. I'm fine. I just don't like all the we have Why the fuck was I stopped at the door?
And sometimes they behave like the entire ship exists only for them. Now, the crew on these ships work hard, incredibly hard, long hours, 7 days a week, to create a vacation experience for thousands of people. And yet some passengers treat them with complete disrespect. That's something old school will simply cannot accept. The Karen phenomenon. Then we have the infamous cruise ship Karens. You've seen them. The passenger demanding to see the manager, complaining about everything, arguing about every rule, filming crew members with their phones, trying to get special treatment, and creating scenes that make the entire cruise uncomfortable.
You better not put your goddamn hands on me. No. Leave me alone. Can you help me? Can you give me some money back? Okay. I sweated and I'm not going nowhere because you're going to help me and you're going to help everybody else in this line. I'm not going nowhere.
What's the number?
Here it is right here. Because they told me they're not going to be able to give you anything else. And I sweated every single night. What happened? They already gave you. So if they gave you nothing, that is what you're going to get. Because this is the supervisor, the manager, the team lead right here. What's her name? Maria. Maria just told me that corporate decided that they cannot give you anything else. So you might want to get out of line and go home. Maybe you might want to get a customer service number because they are not going to give you anything than what you have right now. Despite you sweating 5 nights every single night that you've been on this ship. This is not customer service. Y'all dead ass wrong for that. No AC, yeah, you call a goddamn security, get me off.
Now listen, nobody is saying passengers shouldn't speak up, especially when something is wrong. But there is a difference between raising a concern and creating chaos. What happened to old school respect? Back in the day, cruising was different. People understood something very simple. When you are sharing a ship with 4,000 plus other passengers, courtesy matters, respect matters, patience matters. You wait your turn, you follow the rules, you treat the crew members with kindness, and you remember something important. Everyone on that ship paid for their vacation, just like you. This is how we fix it. It starts with accountability. Cruise lines enforcing the rules, passengers respecting each other, and people remembering that cruising is supposed to be fun for everyone. Because if we allow entitlement and selfish behavior to dominate cruise ships, then the experience that so many of us love will slowly disappear. And that would be a real shame. Now I want to hear from each and every one of you. Have you seen this behavior on your cruise? Chair hogs, entitled passengers, disrespect toward crew members? Or do you think people are exaggerating the problem? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because this is a conversation worth having. Old School wants to talk to you about each and every concern that you have. Until the next time, this is Old School Will reminding you, respect never goes out of style. And like I always say, y'all stay blessed.